we are here at North Point.
North Point.
Yes.
It's over in Wongamat?
Wongamat area.
All right. Nice area.
Nice area. This room that I'm gonna show you is 1 bedroom.
1 bedroom, okay.
1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Here is a kitchen area. Big top.
Got a sink, washing machine.
Sink, washing machine down here.
It is a big countertop.
Yeah. It's more storage.
Yeah, a lot of storage.
A lot of storage. And cupboard.
Oh, there's a lot of space inside there, huh?
It's a lot of space.
That's your, the pantry, that's what it's called.
Pantry.
Pantry, yeah.
4 burners.
Oh, 4 burners.
Mm-hmm.
And a hood.
Hood.
Microwave.
Microwave. Fridge. This is a dining area with 4 chairs.
Oh, 4 chairs, huh?
4 chairs. For you and your guests.
Mm-hmm. And the kids, right?
Kids. And this is the living area.
Big couch.
Big couch and big screen TV.
Yeah. And nice paintings.
Mm-hmm.
There's a boat.
Ceiling fan.
A ceiling fan, yeah. High ceilings too.
Over there too.
Oh, yeah. Aircon, ceiling fans. Let's check out the balcony. See the view.
You can see the ocean from the
Yeah.
living area from the balcony.
Yeah, it's a nice view.
Yeah, it's really nice view.
Let's go out and see what we can see. So strong. Yeah, it's a nice view. Pretty cool. It's too bright.
It's a heavy
Sliding door, yeah.
heavy sliding door. And you see this?
Yeah.
It's not a wall.
It's not a wall?
Yeah.
Oh, more storage, huh?
More storage to keep your
Yeah.
cleaning stuff here.
Cool.
Cool.
And then there's a front door behind you.
This is front door,
Yeah.
entrance door.
Yeah, nice.
Knock.
So here's the bedroom.
Here's bedroom. Everywhere that I go.
Yeah, first the storage, huh?
Closet.
Yeah.
Closet. Closet and a big bed here.
King size bed.
King size bed. And TV.
Yeah.
Ceiling fan.
Oh, another ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan if you want to save electric costs.
Yeah.
And you can go
Oh,
to the balcony from bedroom as well.
yeah. Nice view.
It's a nice view.
So let's check out the restroom here.
Come.
Oh, nice sink.
Sink and big mirror
Big mirror.
and storage in the sink.
Oh,
Hanger.
oh hangers
Hanger.
for your towels.
Hangers.
Toilet. Shower. Huh? It's a big shower.
Big shower.
All right, Beebee, so tell us about this unit.
This unit is 1 bedroom, about 60 square meters.
About 60 square meters?
Yes, for the rental price is 35,000 for a 1-year contract.
35,000 K baht, 1 year.
Right.
Okay. Cool. I think for the price and what you get, it's a big unit.
This unit, you get a nice view.
Super
and
nice view.
Nice facility. Let's
Yeah.
go check. I'll show you.
All right.
This is a we call Sky Garden.
Sky Garden.
Yeah, actually this one is for gym and swimming pool.
Gym and swimming pool.
Yep.
And here's a swimming pool to the left. Yeah, it's a nice swimming pool.
Nice swimming pool.
And a hot tub behind you.
And tub.
The bubbles. The bubbles, right?
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Jacuzzi. It's a nice view.
And the view, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nice view.
So let's go check the gym and sauna.
All right, let's go check the gym. Here's the gym.
And you can see the ocean while
While you're working out.
working out.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice gym. Whole lot of machines inside there. And then we have a sauna right here, right?
We have a sauna.
Restrooms here too. So here's a sauna. It's cool. I would never use it. It's too hot here.
Somebody needs that.
Somebody needs it.
Yeah.
And you got showers here too for after the pool.
Here another shower.
Yeah, cool. All right.
You don't want to try sauna?
No.
You're not cool.
Yeah, I'll die in there.
Okay, let's check the pool in the ground floor.
Beach time. Nice skirt.
This is another pool.
Oh, another pool, huh?
Ah, that's okay.
It's okay.
Go down to beach.
Go down to the beach.
Where we can go.
It's a nice beach.
Have a good food here.
Yeah.
Just
Got good food.
burger,
Good burger.
fries,
Yeah.
and seafood.
Seafood.
Seafood, my favorite.
What's your favorite?
Oh my god.
You gotta think about it.
I like everything.
You like everything?
Squid,
Squid. Yeah.
prawn,
Prawn. Yeah.
what else? Sea bass,
Sea bass.
jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Yeah, jellyfish was okay when I tried it. It was okay.
It's like squid.
Yeah, kinda.
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 Here we are.
Oh, the glass house.
Next door with the North Point.
Alright everyone, I'll leave this video off right here. So far we have done 4 high-rise condo tours in the Wongamat area. Let me know what you guys think about this condo compared to the Palm, Ban Plai Had, and Wongamat Tower. If you're looking for something on the higher end with a nice ocean view, I think any of these fit the bill. Well, until next time guys, take care and have fun. Does it bring you back to when you were a kid? You're thinking about when you were little?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Primary. No, not primary. Kinder.
Kinder. When there was no problems, right? No problems.
No problem. No worry about.
No worry, yeah. No bills, right?
Yeah, no bills. Oh, this is.
And now problems.
Get dizzy now.
Yep.